This video shows you the basic flow of the configuration management process from the BMC Service Management Process Model, or SMPM. It then teaches you how to perform this process by using BMC Asset Management, which is part of the BMC Remedy IT Service Management suite of applications. The video runs approximately 5.5 minutes. The SMPM turns the theory and guidelines of the IT infrastructure library into concrete processes that an IT organization can implement. BMC ITSM applications automate these processes and link directly to SMPM so that you can see the process that applies to the part of an application in which you're currently working. According to the SMPM, the mission of configuration management is to make relevant information about the IT infrastructure available to other service management processes in an accurate, complete, and timely fashion. Configuration management has 5 procedures. The first procedure is CI requisition. Configuration administrators, purchasing agents, and approvers use this procedure to order new configuration items, or CIs, that were approved by the change management process. The second procedure is supplier information maintenance. Configuration administrators use this procedure to register new suppliers and update information about suppliers that are already in the system. The third procedure is CI registration. Configuration administrators and purchasing agents use this procedure when they register new CIs in the Configuration Management Database, or CMDB. The fourth procedure is CI update. Configuration administrators use this procedure to update the attributes and relationships of existing CIs that are registered in the CMDB. The last procedure is contract administration. Configuration administrators use this procedure when they register or update the contracts or license certificates of the CIs that are registered in the CMDB. Now we'll look at how the configuration management process works in BMC Remedy applications. In the following user scenario, Calbro Services uses the BMC Asset Management application to perform the CI requisition and CI registration procedures. As part of its onboarding policy, Calbro Services requires that each new employee has the equipment they need on their first day of work. To ensure the new HR manager, Joe Unser, has a laptop computer, Alan Albrook, the configuration administrator at Calbro Services, uses the requisition console of BMC Asset Management to create a purchase requisition and then to place the purchase order. Alan completes all of the mandatory fields on the purchase requisition form. He also selects Yes for Install Needed and selects the Configure New Computer change template. This automatically creates a change request in the BMC Change Management application to have the laptop installed after it's received into inventory. After Alan creates the purchase requisition, he adds a line item to the requisition for the laptop. The requisition acts as a container for multiple related purchases. In this case, there is only a single purchase, therefore only a single line item is needed. After Alan completes the necessary fields, he saves and then closes the line item. Before a purchase order can be created, the requisition must be approved by Joe's manager, Mary Mann. Alan submits the requisition to BMC Remedy AR System Approval Central for approval. Mary receives a notification that her approval for a purchase order is required. From the Asset Management console, Mary opens the Approval Central console and approves the requisition. This automatically generates the purchase order with the status of in preparation. Next, the purchasing agent, Francie Stafford, opens the Purchasing console from the Asset Management console to look for purchase orders with the status of in preparation. Francie opens the purchase order for Joe's new laptop and reviews the details. When she is satisfied that the details are correct, she clicks Place Order. When the configuration administrator is notified that the laptop has arrived, he opens the BMC Asset Management Receiving console and then opens the purchase order. Alan sets the received quantity to 1. Because this matches the number in the required quantity field, indicating the purchase order is fulfilled, a CI record for the laptop is automatically created in the CMDB, along with the change request for installation. The purchasing agent now views the laptop's CI record from the Asset Management console and checks the financial details to ensure they are accurate. At this point, the change management process takes over to ensure the laptop is installed. If you need to refresh your understanding of the process while working with BMC Asset Management, you can launch the Service Management Process Model right from the Asset console. To do this, click Process Overview to display the high-level flowchart of the asset management process used in this video. You can click elements of the diagram to display more detail, and you can view a text description at any level. We hope that this video has helped you to understand the best practice process for configuration management from the BMC Service Management Process Model and the implementation of that process in BMC Asset Management. Thank you for watching.